Toyota returned the back-wheel drive sports auto diversion with the 86, Scion FR-S, in 2012, and now it has something greater in progress. Something that could be a successor to the relentless Supra, one of Toyota's most cherished autos ever. There's a ton we think about this auto and there's a great deal we've heard, so we're assembling every last bit of it here, only for you. Addressing Motor1 UK, Shigeki Tomoyama, the leader of Toyota's Gazoo racing division, inferred that the Supra won't not wear Toyota badging. Rather, as per Tomoyama, it will be badged as a Gazoo. Tomoyama additionally made some enormous guarantees about the Supra's game's auto certifications.
Yeah.